So, good morning. Good morning from here. Another day. Welcome to another day's video. Welcome to another day's video whereby I will be doing my trade recap and my trade analysis. So the last video I did earlier on was about the last trade I took, my trade recaps, and the last trade I took that went into loss. So I'll be doing a total trade recaps for this week. Though this week haven't been a good one, but I'm just on break even. So I'm just on break even on this particular zone. So I'm going to be doing a trade recap. The last time I did a trade recap was on Thursday, but on Friday I took a trade. So I want to do a journal plan of everything. So let's head straight to the video quickly. So right here I'll be moving on my charts. So right here it is my chart. Okay, this is on BTC. BTC I was expecting a sell after I see this engulfing candle on the daily charts. This previous candle whereby it engulfs the previous one. I was expecting a sell after the closure of that candle. So now I'm just getting to see on my screen now the next candle broke down. So I didn't take the trade. I just knew it was going to sell. I didn't take the trade. Just choose not. Trading is not every time you see an opportunity in the market to just jump into it like, bro, no. It's not done that way. There's still an opportunity to jump in for a sell over here, whereas it's going to come down to this recent support level, this down support level right here. But after that. So by the way, let me go to gold because that is what I traded last for this week, which is on Friday. I traded gold last. So let me move to my gold chart. It's kind of loading. My network is kind of roughly bad. And why it was because my router is off. My Spectrum net is off already. So I'm just that's what I do use to power my systems or my system because my network. So I'm just using my phone network. I'm just on my hotspot to my laptop because my router is off. So that's why it's kind of loading. So this is just a clean chart. Let me reboot it. I think this network is done with this bullshit. So currently we're on Saturday right now. We're on Saturday, so the market is closed. We're on Saturday. The commodity market is closed. Forex markets are just 24.5. It's not 247, it's 245. So yesterday, which is Friday, was the closure of all forex market. So back here was on my Wednesday to Thursday trade where it isn't well. You can see on my last video I said that this market, the structural buyers of this market is a downtrend. It's a sell for the structural buyer. You can see just immediately after I was taken out from this trade over here. Let me use this thing. Let me use this demonstration sheet. So you can see immediately I was taken out over here. The market then just start to go down. The market just starts start to like go downward. You can see over here, market just suddenly, after it spiked me out in this place, the market just suddenly start to like go downward after some consolidation. It consolidates all through to the end of Thursday. So actually now in the middle of the night I was up, so I took this trade. I took this trade on a 15-minute time frame because market has already broken. I'm supposed to like, I didn't frustrate. Like when market came to this support that it had been rejecting from this time here, the market has been rejecting over here. So I'm supposed to like just grab the sell around this area. I can see after market broke, it shows an engulfing candle, whereas I can just jump into the sell. But I don't trade those moments because it was around in the middle of the night. I only trade around Tokyo. I only trade around Tokyo section and also the New York section. So anytime I don't see opportunity to use those period, then I'm out. I don't trade. I do trade around those section or around London section. I don't do shit. I don't do shit, but there are sometimes good opportunity comes during those times, and sometimes I do take it, but normal times I don't trade. So by the way, I took this trade around here. After I've seen this market have come down here, so it now looks like the market wants to push up back to this like broken support and become resistant, but market didn't come there. The volume of the market didn't go there. So then I saw a confirmation. My first confirmation was this first bearish candle, which served as an hanging man. Then I waited for another confirmation, like same thing. Then this doji, so I entered in the closure of this doji. I didn't even wait for the doji to like close finish because that signifies build on the market. So I entered into market. I had a little bit of drawdown. Then I went straight into profit. But the sad part of this was that on my MT5, I didn't wait for it full target because it was in the middle of the night. This was around when I took it straight, it was around 1, after 1 already, 1 a.m. So I wanted to jump into something else. So I was not like to protect some of profit, though my rules are like 1 to 2 risk to reward. That's are my rules, because that's how you can be able to like be profitable in this market. Whereby like this my Thursday trade. If I stick to that road on Friday, this my Thursday trade that was a loss, which is minus $20. Then as I have this win is supposed to be like times 2 of what I'll be risking, which is just $40. But though the sad part was that on my MT5 I didn't keep the trade to like hit my target. I closed manually when it get to half of my target, because there was a little bit of consolidation around there. You can see this missing candle, so I just had to close, then jump into something else because I had this one, because I really want to set my eyes on that trade. So that's why I closed, and that's why I just had $20. So I just only recover what I lost on Friday. I don't have any profit on it, so not bad. We still have like trading offer a lot of opportunities in the market. So opportunities don't finish in the market. So tomorrow, like next week, should be able to come back to the market with clear mind and do nice things by the grace of God. So this is my trade book based on Friday trade. So I'll be taking it through. I'm going through my broker to journal my trade with me. So today this week was just in break-even. This on Friday trade, and this on Wednesday to Thursday trade, because I took this trade for almost 2 days. Then this is on I know this is on Tuesday trades. I traded twice on Tuesday, like just because. Also here on Tuesday too, I also didn't allow the market to give me my full target. My full target was supposed to be around here, down to this next critical level. So I didn't allow the market to give me my full target. I went out so quick, then I came back to try to buy, thinking the market has prepared itself for a push. But I lost. I took a loss on that. So on Monday too, this was a streets. Okay, it's on Friday. On Monday too, I think I had a loss. It was not on this broker. I had a loss too on Monday. So just few wins. I think just 3 wins, 3 profitable trades. Then like I think 4 losses. So that was that on my trading cap. So I was just on break even. So let me take you to my broker X next. So right here, this is my account. This is my account on XNext. You can see my balance have now from $20. My balance have now doubled down to $42. Last time where I was making that video, my balance was on $20, whereby I was saying I only had one opportunity to have a good trade. That if I don't have a good trade, then I'll be knocked out because I'm only risking $20 per trade. So that $20 is like risking all my capital, 100% of my capital, and if the trade could go against me, then I'm fucked up. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. I was patient enough to look for a good support, but I was not patient enough to make the market hit my target, and that was one of my rules that was broken. Whereas I'm supposed to wait to let the market hit my target, whereby if it hits my target, that I'll be going with $40. Then it will help me recover the Thursday losses. Then I'll still be on profit. But right now, when I didn't let the market to hit my full target, I only recover Thursday loss, and I had no profit. So not bad. I still have the opportunity to sit down back, rest my head, and check on how I've done so far this week. Then I'll be able to like reset for the next week. So this is my trade performance on this my account for the last 7 days, which is this Thursday. So my net profit was just $2.91. So that was crazy. And the total trades I took in that week, this week that just finished, because today Saturday was 9 trades. So 4 profitable ones and 5 unprofitable trades. And the 4 profitable ones was that I didn't wait for the market to hit my target. So it was just like I'll make money Monday or Tuesday, I'll lose it back to the market. On Wednesday, I'll make those kind of bullshit. So it does not it was happening because I didn't allow the market to hit my full target. That is why I'm kind of unprofitable this week and due to some losses. So it's just though I was on a drawdown this week, but now I'm on a break even. I'm just on a break even. I already recovers the losses back. Because I was even thinking I'm going to like be fucked up with my $20 left, but that didn't happen. So right here, 4 profitable trades and 4 unprofitable ones, and the current balance is $42. The net profit, total profit was $32. Then losses was $59. You can see it was a crazy loss. Imagine 5 unprofitable trades. That's crazy. So I have to like reset my house. You can see over here, this is on Monday, $20 losses, May 11. Then it came back here, May 12. This is on Tuesday. Profit. You can see this is what I'm talking about. Only if I lose money, I only recover it. I don't have any profit to it. So on Wednesday, this is on May 13. On Wednesday trade. So Wednesday trade, I took a trade. I took the trade all through Wednesday to Thursday. That was that trade I took, whereby the market came to just spike me out, and now finally went down because I already didn't know. I was sure enough. That's why I hold on to that trade, because I was sure enough that the structural bias of this market is a bearish movement. So that's what gave me full confidence to still be in the trade. Else I will have just closed manually when it gets to that support resistance, but I was believing that support will always be broken. That's why I hold on to that trade. Unfortunately, just the candle just come to weak me out and finally goes my way. So it happens. It's a normal thing in trading, because you know the market, that's not my father's land. So I hold no authority on it. It's just gonna do its thing. So on Monday, that is the trade. This is the trade. That was the trade. This Monday to Thursday trade cost me $20, and on Friday I was a profit of $20. So on that Friday I took 2 trades. It was BTC. I took a trade on BTC as well. So BTC2, I didn't allow it to reach my full target because I was risking $4 on that trade, then which I'm supposed to like targeting $8. But unfortunately, I just had to close because I took this trade at the same time when I took that gold on Friday around the middle of the night. So I just closed all my position. I just closed all my position that day. So gold gave me half of my target, I closed it, and BTC gave me half of my target, I just closed it. So that's what happened on Friday, because on Friday I don't want to come and hold position, because sometimes markets will just keep consolidating and doing some bullshit whereas I stay in the market. So this is my trade recap for the week. So that is my trade recap for the week. So hopefully, so now with this $42 account, now I have 2 chances of winning. I have 2 chances. If I lose those 2 chances at a row, then I'm fucked up next week. If I lose these 2 chances at a row, then I'm fucked up next week. But if I don't, maybe on Monday came in at a good trade, it goes my way, then it makes sense the more. But if Monday came in, I took a loss, then I've lost on Monday too. Then on Tuesday come in and I take another loss, then I'm fucked up on that account, I'll be blown out. But it's not likely to be possible. I should take 2 losses on a row. No, that can't happen. So I have to take 2 losses on a row if I can knock down this account. But if I take a loss one, maybe then the next week I had profit and I'll be back again. So that's what's just likely happen this week. But this next week I'm looking forward for a change. So I'm gonna sit my ass down and check out what I did wrong. I already know what I did wrong and what I didn't do right. So this is my trade recap. So I'm going to take it through. That's just on my XNext and on my charts on my trading view. So with that, I'm going to take it through where the figures were made, which is on my MT5. So I'm going to just do a screen record over here, then attach it to this video. So right here is my MT5. I'm on my MT5. Right here, my XNext broker accounts. You can see XNext is a real account. I didn't even need to be showing a real account. Why did I need to be doing that shit? So this is my trades so far. This is the trade so far. And right here, last week trades. You can see this is the last week trade so far. Just on break even. Last week trade so far was just on break. Even. That was very overwhelming. Only 4 profitable trades, then 5 unprofitable trades, then some withdrawals. I think I took 2 withdrawals on this trade. No, 3 withdrawals on this trade. This withdrawal, this one, and also this one. I took 3 withdrawals. That is like 13. That's like, okay, no, that's like $11 withdrawals on this trade. So right here, I'll also be taking you guys through this my trade recap for the week, and that will come to an end of this video. by next week, tomorrow is Sunday, whereby next tomorrow the market will be opening. So tomorrow Sunday I have to sit my fucking damn ass down, then go through my journals, then look what I did right, what I didn't do right, what I do wrong, what I didn't do wrong. So check that out. So next week I'm going to be coming to the market with clarity, not to come and force the market because this is not my father's land, but just to come and do actually what the market is going to be doing. And bye bye. So Monday next week, let me check from the 1 hour. It's a very big. I'll be looking for more. I'll be looking out for more of sales in the market by next week. More of sales should be coming. If the market is able to take out this low, the more of sales should be coming in next week. But if the market is not going to take out that low, then we should be starting to have a push to the upside back. So that comes to an end of my videos today. So if you're a beginner trader, just stick to the game. The future just is bright. Don't look at what any motherfuckers or any mediocre is going to say. If you are still listening to all them fucking broadcast people are going to say, then you are not ready to make it in this journey, in this industry. But if you don't give a fuck of what any person is going to say, then success is yours. So right here, this is my video of me as a beginner trader. So the sky is our starting point. We're learning somewhere. So peace out. See you guys later in another video. So probably I'll be coming back to make another video when it's next week. So at the end of I'll be doing another trade recaps of the end of the week, which is next week. So hopefully we don't get blown. That shit can't happen. So God can't got us this far, then just decide to let us blow this shit up. No. So peace out.